Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake very easy at home. Baking a delicious cake doesn't have to be complicated. We'll walk through a simple process using common kitchen staples. You'll learn how to combine ingredients effectively and bake your cake to perfection. This guide is designed for anyone, even beginners, to create a delightful dessert with confidence and ease. Get ready to enjoy a homemade treat. Let's start with the basics. For a standard cake, you'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget 3 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and ½ cup of vegetable oil. First, whisk your dry ingredients together in one bowl. In another, combine all your wet ingredients. This separation ensures a smooth, lump-free batter, making your cake light and airy. Now for the baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour your batter into a greased and floured 9-inch round pan. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Patience here ensures a perfect texture. Once your cake is completely cool, it's time for the best part: frosting. A simple buttercream made with 1 stick of softened butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and a splash of milk works wonderfully. Spread it evenly over the top and sides of your cake. You can add sprinkles or fruit for extra flair. This easy homemade cake is perfect for any occasion or just a sweet treat. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.